Lazy afternoon on my balcony. Just had lunch, sitting on my balcony watching the Amazon. Perfect day for being on a boat. And we'll take a nap soon because I'm beat. But what an awesome, awesome opportunity. To be able to say that's just a log, not a crocodile. And the water lettuce. And here, Amazon. Beautiful. What a huge diversity of species. I hope they continue to preserve it and not make a mess of it. Otherwise, we're all screwed. You can see all the other cabin balconies too. And cabins below me don't have a balcony. You can see there is a person there or something there that's man-made. They're clearing the land for plantation. Probably will plant either bananas. But you can see how thick the undergrowth is right before that and how many trees had to be cut just to clear that portion of land. Of course, this is the low season, so they don't have too much rain. During the wet season, the river rises almost up to the bank, sometimes even spilling over. We are going against the current, and you can see the amount of stuff that's floating downstream, mainly a lot of lettuce and river lettuce. Again, some more hutments here because banana trees and clearings mean that there's human inhabitation. However primitive it is, the Amazon doesn't have any bridges because it doesn't have any roads for people to cross from one side to the other, or people to even go on. Generally, people use ferries when they want to cross the river. It's more feasible economically to ferry your way across rather than to build a bridge that literally leads to nowhere. You can see the depth of the canopy and the depth of the rainforest. It's a gorgeous day. Just to focus on the Amazon itself, it's a beautiful river. It may look brown and dirty, but it is a beautifully big river, and it is officially longer than the Nile. Not the Nile, I'm so sleepy, the Nile. You see there's some more boats that are there, so just gonna pass it, take a picture, and take a nap. I think I deserve it. Again, the boat I'm with is called the Zafiro, and it's pretty gorgeous. I mean, come on, how many of you have had the opportunity of being on a boat on the Amazon of all things? I mean, looks like another restaurant or boat or something. It looks boxy though. Every one of these boats has 3 other boats to go along with it. 2 smaller boats that can accommodate about 7 people each, and a larger boat for about 12 people. This just looks like a boat from another cruise company. Looks like a big box though. So not very impressed. Oh, so this is the Delphin 3. Okay, I should be impressed because this was a boat I was supposed to go on, but I didn't because I couldn't. I wanted to do the canopy walk, and pretty nice looking boat from here because it looks a little boxy to me. So that's a Delphin 3. Pretty nice boat, just like ours, I guess. And a couple more. here. I'm getting so sleepy. Oh, this is also Delphin. This is the Delphin 8. This looks like a little board box. Okay, the Delphin 8. I think ours looks so much more pretty. As I said, every one of these big boats come with smaller boats attached, and we go deeper into the Amazon using these small boats. Like this evening, we are going on a night trip to the Amazon, just so that you know what a nice day it is. Going for a night trip to the Amazon. This is also the Delphin 3, so I wonder what that is. Okay, I wasn't looking properly, I guess. Again, a little boat. Little boat that they use. And then this is another houseboat of sorts. I'm not too sure as to what it is. Looks like a weird thing anyhow. Hola! This is also the Delphin. No idea how many dolphins there are. So, yeah. So 3 dolphins, I think. I don't know which one is which, but I like our boat better. So much of damage here. Bye! So much of damage here because of the rain. And the floods. And you can see this person here is Hola! Trying to do what? I don't know. Remove the mud, I guess. Yeah, with the machete. Good luck to him. And I'm sleepy. I need a nap before tonight. We are going out tonight. It will be a long 3 hours. So I need to empty my phone and stuff like that. So talk to you later.